Hi mga sisi! It's weekend. Come eat with us at Icebergs! So yan, pumunta kami dito sa Icebergs dahil nagkikrave ako ng something salty and sweet. So dito tayo kakain today. No more Japanese food muna dahil Mami Sisi is craving for some Filipino dishes. Ayan, so dito tayo kakain sa Icebergs. So nakita nyo naman, ang ganda ng place. So clean, so homey. And of course, ang mga staffs nila ay very accommodating. Yung palang plus factor na sa akin. So, order na kami dahil gutom na ang mga kids at ang Mami Sisi nyo. So yun, itatry na natin ang kanilang mga foods. Well, anyway, ito yung in-order namin, which is bangus with mango. Alam nyo ba, mamaya makikita nyo yung reaction ko about this bangus dahil talagang super bagay yung mango sa crunchiness ng bangus belly nila. And ito naman yung kanilang Icebergs famous sisig. And then of course, buffalo wings for my children. So well anyway, ayan, nakikita nyo naman ang reaction ko dyan mga sisi pag tikim ko. Ang saya-saya ko.
Mango. Matamis na kamaalat.
Sobrang sarap talaga kaya ganyan yung reaction ko kasi talagang, alam niyo yun, nag-mix talaga yung saltiness and sweetness nung dish na to.
Wow.
And then after that, we tried their banana split.
Ready? Set? Go, bye!
Ito yung parang classic nila. So, tuwang-tuwa naman aking bunso here dahil mahilig siya sa sweets. Meron din siyang sweet tooth like mommy. And yun, ang aming lunch for today.
The ice cream. Sherry.
Of course, nag-spend time kami with our kids.
Green.
Brain freeze challenge.
Busy kami ng buong weekdays. After that, nag-feed the fish kami and
Ang daming. It's big.
of course, we always thank God for another day, blessings, and being just alive and safe all the time. That is it for today's mini vlog. Happy weekend mga sisi ko!